Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up your mini whiteboard with your webcam. So inside my control panel I've got to make sure that my mini whiteboard is selected as my surface. I've already got webcam selected, and in the camera drop down I can choose between an external USB camera or my laptop's built-in webcam, but in this case I'm going to choose the external webcam. We highly recommend using a 4K webcam to get the best possible results. If there were no devices in this drop-down, you can click Update List and it will repopulate with all your available devices. So, the most important step of this process is to turn the camera preview on and make sure that you fit the whole writing surface inside the camera preview. Now I'm going to make sure my camera can see that, and then I'm going to click Start. I'm going to move my hands out of the way during this step so that the automatic detection can see the writing surface, and it's going to draw a green frame around the mini whiteboard and tell me to start writing. So as you can see, inside my workspace, it already has the content that I've already written on here. I'm going to add some more. It's as simple as that. So if you'd like to learn more about using JIBB with any other surface or input, please go to our help page at jibb.ai/help, and you can watch all of our other tutorial videos. And thank you for watching.